You could say, hey, I want to cache this. Here is the ID of the feed I want to cache. Here's how long. The duration is a constant that we can set. And then you can say true or false whether you want to broadcast that to all your nodes. So just one line of code, boom, you're returning this cache across the entire system. There's another way to do it, which is essentially I can say, hey, Fireman, just give me this data. Here's the module. Here's the key I want. Here's the page I'm on. Here's how many I want to return. So this is like more of a read-through model where Fireman will actually say, okay, great, I'll go get this data. But when it does it, it actually keeps track of the actual amount of time that we, or sorry, the number of accesses per second that are being requested for that exact cache key. So I'm going to walk through this code really quick. So we say, in the ETS, we do an ETS lookup that says, hey, do we have for this table, which is the name of this cache, for this key, do we have anything in here? And if it doesn't have anything, it'll just insert a new key that says, okay, this is my first request starting now. I cut out the top and the bottom of this code, or the top of this code, so it's a couple of these variables were defined above it, but it wasn't quite room. But now it's just the current time. The TID is the name of the ETS table. And in this case, it would be, like for instance, with related, it would be the fireman cache for related. And then if we do have something, we get back a tuple that's the key, the average, and then the count, and then the last time we accessed that. So then we recalculate the accesses per second, and then we restore based on that cache key the value back in ETS. Now elsewhere, when we do that, we can say, are our accesses per second high enough that we should actually flip on cache mode, or should we leave it off? So in this case, you can